Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora. Today I'm doing the wedding reception. Get ready with me. Finally, the video is out. I'm so glad that you guys are loving the Get Ready with Me's, and I have been doing like a full wedding series, I would rather say, which has hair, makeup, styling, fashion. God knows, I think I've tried to inculcate literally everything, all the knowledge that I have. I'm trying to put into my content, and I'm so happy, guys, with the views. You guys have been showering so much love on my Instagram, on my YouTube, and I'm so grateful to all of you for this love. Today is a totally candid moment. So you can see there's no trace of makeup on my face, not even like a lip balm to say. So I thought, like, my skincare is done. Today is the reception, the wedding reception. So this the last occasion. So by this video, you will be getting 4 get ready with me's, actually somewhere 5, because one get ready with me has 2 looks and 2 makeups in the same, because it was a day to night transition, so like function. So that's why I inculcated both of them together and clubbed that video. So basically by now you should get 5 get ready with me's and 5 you know makeup and styling videos. So without wasting any time, let's just get into the video. Today I'm going to wear a red flowy lehenga choli. It's like a more western version of a lehenga choli, very light, very subtle, totally my flavor. And the silhouette is something very beautiful. It's simple, classy, yet very chic, and it's something I've designed myself again, because I love designing clothes, and I just do it for myself or my mom, but I just simply love it. So without much blabbering, let's just get into the hair first. This is my hair all washed and air dried. Now they're already dried, so I'm just taking the basic brush and moving it through my hair once. Let's do it in a time lapse. So I quickly use the Dyson round brush to, remove all those tangles from my hair and even give them a more, wavy look. I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Illuminate Primer. This is how I've applied it. I've taken a bit of it and applied it all over my face, and look at the kind of shine that is giving to my face. It looks really good. I've just applied it on all the areas. I'm going to need makeup on my neckline as well. And now I'm taking the MAC Pro Conceal palette in the shade medium 2, and I'm just covering my under eye area. I want my eyeshadow to really pop out today, so I'm using a tone lighter than my usual skin tone, and I'm using the lightest color in the palette. And look at that, I've quickly used my pack blending brush, foundation blending brush, to just blend this over. I'm just putting on a headband to avoid all the hair on my face. Now I'm using the MAC compact in the shade NC20, and I'm going to powder the area which has the concealer. I am using this brush from Nykaa. It's a beautiful brush. I love how densely it picks up the product. Using the Leather Shop palette from Etude, I have picked the lightest brown shade, and I'm going to apply it to my crease line. This is just going to define my eyebrow socket further and give it that intense depth that I always require. This is such a beautiful drugstore palette when it comes to brown tones. I feel I really enjoy using it. Used my Simply Nam eyeshadow blending brush. Now I'm using this Morphe brush, and I'm taking the darker shadow color in brown, and I'm putting it on my eyelid area. Look at that. It's a beautiful dark brown pigment, and I'm doing a brown smoky eye because I feel with the red being so prominent, I don't want to go overboard with the makeup, so I'll keep my makeup in brown tone so that the red can really pop out. I am just using the same brush to blend it all over my lid, and look at that, I'm trying to blend in both the browns together. Look at how stunning it looks. Now to do the brow area, I'm taking this Urban Decay Naked Basics palette and applying the lighter shade on the brow bone. Look at how wonderful it looks. I think this really makes the colors pop. And that brow bone is really getting defined by this. Now I'm taking this dark maroon and brown shade and creating the under eye area, giving it a little more depth and intensity with those shades. Look at how stunning that looks. Now we are going to go further with the palette from MAC and going to cover our under eye area. Taking the shade in brown tone itself, which is a little darker from my skin tone, and I'm not color correcting because I don't require that much concealer. I'm just going to blend that color in. This is the Huda Beauty Pound Cake. This sets my under eyes so beautifully. It is one of the best loose powders I've ever used, and it just defines my face perfectly. It's beautiful for a brown, medium brown Indian skin tone. Look at how it sets my face. Just check it out. Now I'm just further defining my under eye area with the same Urban Decay Naked Basics palette, and we are going to apply a mascara post this. I am just going to dust off that bake first, and I'm just taking that off. Look at that under eye glow, guys. It looks so stunning. There is no white cast. Now I'm using the Simply Nam blush in this pinkish tone and applying it on the apples of my cheeks. Look at how beautiful. It's a subtle pink color and I really like how it's come out. Guys, on another note, I'm using my Kylie palette to apply that highlighter, and Kylie Cosmetics has finally launched in India with Sephora. Check it out if you guys want love those Kylie lip kits. I used to order them from US all the time, and I think I found it here at Sephora and I'm the happiest person. Now I'm using the Superfan mascara by Smashbox to do my eyelashes and even my brows. I'm just lightly brushing my brows. I don't want very stark clear brows. Look at how wonderful it looks on the brows. This is almost empty, guys. Don't risk it, okay? This can go really brutal. So don't try till the time your mascara is almost like ended. We are going to teach you how to fix this. So if ever something like this happens, what you're going to do is you're going to take a Q-tip, wait for this to dry, okay? And you're just going to take it off like so. If you see, the front part is clean, like this area. And now for the other half, I'm going to take another Q-tip. I'm going to rotate it in the same place and remove it like so. And then I'm going to take my powder brush, cover it up, and you see, we are back. This is a hack you must try. Now I've tied my entire hair into a tight ponytail, and look at that. I've just taken a basic black rubber band and I'm going to tie it up in a high ponytail. This is in time lapse, guys. I hope you learn the hairstyle as well from this. This looks so chic. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of the hair and I'm going to rotate it around the rubber band. I'm taking the same Smashbox mascara and fixing all the flyaways. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this brown Simmer brown pencil from Wet n Wild and lining my lips. I'm going to fill it up with the beautiful Bobbi Brown lip gloss in this brown nude shade. Look at how gorgeous this looks. I think this is one of the best lip combos I've ever tried. Can you see how amazing it is? It has given my lips that perfect pop. Now I'm using gold accessories to highlight my outfit. I'm wearing this snake bracelet as a bangle kind of thing, and I've worn golden heels. This is my neck piece that I'm going to wear. And that's the final look, guys. Look at that look. I love it. This outfit is bomb.com. What do you guys think? The back needs special attention. I love how it stands out and looks so gorgeous. Well, that's it for the vlog. I hope you enjoy it. This was the last of the Get Ready With Me for the wedding series, and I'll see you very soon. Please don't forget to subscribe. Mwah. Bye.